Hi guys, it's Primrose, and today I have some new plants to share with you. So this is my very first plant haul since I came back. I was away for 6 long weeks, and I tried to stay away from uh, social media on weekends so I could spend time with my husband. But today, I will make an exception because we've been to a garden center after church and I couldn't resist getting more plants. So let's go ahead, and the first one is this tiny Sansevieria. So I really like this one. I have been looking for this one since summer, and that was really cheap as well for $2.99. So there's that. And the next one, let me just so mostly I've got tiny plants. So this is the oh gosh, I can't see it, sorry. Hypostas. I like those splash of colors. So there's that, and it's going to be okay, I'll just leave it. This, I do not want to mess up my table. I'm just gonna put it on the floor, I think. And then the third plant is this one. So there were a lot of ferns today in the garden center, and look at this fern. So that's £2, really cheap. So that's the third plant, and then I do not want you to get dizzy when I like go down here and go down there. Ooh. So when I was away, my maiden hair fern died, so I thought I really liked that plant, so I thought I'm gonna get another one. So today I went ahead and splurge on lots of ferns. So that's my maiden hair fern, and the fifth plant is another Hypostas, but this one, it's got a pink splash of color on the leaves. So there's that. And then I was so excited when I saw this is something new. I have never seen this before in my garden center. So this is the Philodendron atum, I think. It's so lush looking, and I have about 3 plants in a pot. So I like that this one doesn't grow really big. I hope it won't, because I don't have a big space for big plants. So it looks very similar to Alocasia, at least the green version, the green Alocasia plants. And then what else do I have here? I saw this one from my father-in-law's houseplant collection, and I really like it. And it's another kind of fern, and I hope it will do well for me. Ooh. So like I said in my previous video, I prefer getting small plants than the bigger ones, because that way they are cheaper. Like that one here, it's not bad price. So and yeah, that's it. And then I have been having trouble with fungus gnats everywhere around the house, and it's driving my husband crazy. So this is a really good solution. It's very effective. Yeah, so if you are having trouble getting eliminating fungus gnats inside your home, it's called a greenhouse flycatcher. Darling, I'm done. Yeah, so that is all for today, and thank you so much for watching, and take care. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.